Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. So what we have today in this video is x power 4 is equal to 64. So we want to find out the value of x, that of course when you put it right here and then raise it to power 4, it will actually give you 64. So you want to follow through and make sure you understand every step in the solution, and then of course you can replicate that in solving other similar problem. But just before we proceed, I want to thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel, who are liking my video and also sharing it with their friends. It means so much to me. I so much appreciate. And for those of you who are just stumbling upon our channel, do what to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss any update. And having said that, we're going to proceed right into this video. So what I want to do is to go ahead and then raise both sides to power 4. Okay, so if I do that, this is x power 4, and then I'm going to raise this to power 4, and of course you're going to understand why that is important as we proceed in the solution. This is 64 power 4. Okay, and of course, because an equation, I have not changed anything since the operation is being performed on the both sides of the equation. Then you should remember these exponential law of indices, which basically say that when you have a power m multiplied by n, let me put it this way, you can actually write this as a power m and m power n. Of course, this can also be written as a power n, and then you put out the m. Okay, so now I'm going to be utilizing this to solve this problem right here. So if I do that on this left hand side, I'm going to be having that this will change to x power 4. So I'll bring in the 4 out, and then I'll bring in this x power 4 out. Okay, so this is x power 4, and then coming over to the right hand side, what I have here, I can actually write this 64 here as 8 power 2 all raised to power 4. Okay, so of course here I can also write this as 8 power 2 times 4, just applying this same exponential rule over here. So then I write it as 8 power 8. Okay, and then of course this is still the same what I have over here, so let me write over here. So this is x power 4, and then power x power 4, so that when you watch this solution, you're actually going to be seeing that there is a particular pattern. So what we have at the base here is still the same what we have at the power here. What is at the base here is the same what we have at the power, and obviously this implies that x power 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so if x power 4 is equal to 8, it now suffices for us to find the value of x. So, and it's just very simple to do that, because we can just raise both sides to power 1 over 4. Okay, so I will also do the same here, 8 power 1 over 4, and then this 4 can actually cancel this 4, and then what we have is x to be equal to 8 power 1 over 4. Okay, so this is what we're going to be having. And then of course, in case you don't want to write it this way, you can also write your x as 2 power 3, and then raised to power 1 over 4. So if we also continue, we can apply the exponential law here. So what we're going to be having is 2 power 3 times 1 over 4, so that this changes to 2 power 3 over 4, and this is going to be our simplified value for x. So this is actually going to be the value of x which will satisfy the problem we are solving. So you may just want to go ahead to see if this solution will satisfy the problem we just solved. So what we solved is x power 4 is equal to 64. So we want to put 2 power 3 divided by 4 in this question to see whether the left hand side will actually give us equal to 64. Okay, so what we have is 2 power 3 power 4, and then let me put this over here. Power 3, 2 power 3 power 4, or raised to power 4. Will this be equal to 64? Okay, so I can begin to simplify from up here. So let me write the base here. 2 power 3 over 4 raised to power 2 power 3 over 4, and then I can multiply by this 4. Okay, so that this 4 can actually cancel this 4, and then what I'm left with, this is still 64. So what I'm going to be left with here is just 2 power 3, and then if I write this is 2 power 3 over 4, and then multiplied by this 2 power 3 is same as 8. So if I put 8 over here, 4 divide itself 1, then 4 divide this 8 here is equal to 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So what we now have is 2 power 6, and obviously 2 power 6 is equal to 64. So you can see that this does that. That's 2 power 3 over 4 does satisfy the equation we just solved. So let me know if you've understood this in the comment section, and basically this is how you solve this kind of problem. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.